To create a sleek Bezier Warp effect in After Effects, start by creating a new composition. Name it Bezier Effect. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and choose a duration of 5 seconds, then click OK to proceed. Next, select the Type tool and enter your desired text. Once you've typed it, align the text to the center of the composition. You can also customize the text color. I'll stick with the default for now. With the text layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Bezier Warp. Drag and drop this effect onto your text layer and ensure the corner points of the warp are visible. Begin adjusting the corners by dragging the top left point to the top right corner and the top right point to the top left. Then do the same for the bottom corners, effectively swapping their positions. Make sure the playhead is positioned at the beginning of the timeline, then toggle on all the keyframe stopwatches for the Bezier Warp properties and set the quality value to 10. Move the playhead to 1.5 seconds and reset all the values to their defaults, which will create a smooth warp-in animation. Now let's preview the final result. There you have it, a clean and eye-catching Bezier Warp effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.